sun came up like any other Thursday morning, June the 5th, 2025, no sign of warning. I drank my coffee, I drove down the familiar street, not knowing the ground was crumbling beneath my feet. Just a routine check, walking in with a plan, not knowing I was a fragile, broken man. Then the room got quiet, the air got thin. I heard a voice, but it sounded like static rushing in. Everything I worried about yesterday vanished in a second, replaced by the grave. Just 3 words stopped the beating of my heart. Gravity got heavier, tore the world apart. You have cancer, echoing in the display. Suddenly the sun went out on the darkest day. The light outside is mocking me, shining bright, while I'm standing in the wreckage of the darkest day. About treating stages in time, but his voice sounded distant like a broken chime. Leukemia, the words hang in the air, way too heavy for one heart to bear. I look into the mirror, but the eyes are not the same. Like a stranger staring back at me, wearing my name. Take it back, rewind the clock, let me stay before the shock. Yesterday I was dreaming of where I'd be in 10 years. Now I'm drowning in a sudden flood of silent tears, screaming at the ceiling, this has to be a mistake. God, how much more can one spirit take? 3 words stop the beating of my heart. Gravity got heavier, tore the world apart. You have cancer, echoing in the display. Suddenly the sun went out on the darkest day. I couldn't breathe, I couldn't speak, I couldn't look away. From the shadow falling over the darkest day, I pull into the driveway, turn the engine off. The house looks the same, but everything is lost. June the 5th, just a Thursday afternoon. But winter arrived way too soon. Help me, Jesus. Help me.